Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, so let's see how Lucid is doing today. This stock is particularly interesting because I think it has a lot to benefit from the next bullish leg on the electric vehicle stocks. And because it is a little bit delayed, right? It feels like Lucid is a little bit delayed compared to Tesla. And it does look better than Rivian in my humble opinion. I will explain to you guys why. I will explain to you guys what Lucid needs to do in order to become totally bullish again. And we are gonna talk about targets. So my friends, if you are already my subscriber, remember to click on the like button to support this channel. If you are new around here, consider subscribing because I do daily videos, daily analysis on Tesla, other stocks like Lucid, like NIO, like AMD, Nvidia, Apple, etc. So seriously, consider subscribing. It is for free, so why not? So let's talk about Lucid right now. In the 1 hour chart, let's take a look in the 1 hour chart first. We see that Lucid is already in a bull trend, okay? This is already a crystal clear bull trend. However, we have a problematic pattern in the 1 hour chart, which is a possible head and shoulders chart pattern. This pattern was not triggered yet. Maybe it never will. However, Lucid must not lose the previous support level at $24.50, okay? $24.50, this red line over here. Lucid must not lose this point, otherwise it could ruin the bullish bias in the 1 hour chart. In my humble opinion, I rather prefer to wait for better, stronger bullish signs instead of looking at patterns in the 1 hour chart. So let's take a look at the daily chart over here. In the daily chart, it is important to understand why Lucid is looking interesting right now. Unlike Tesla, which is already in a bull trend, in a crystal clear bull trend, Tesla was a buy over here. Okay, in fact, I did a video on February 24 stating clearly, guys, this is the best moment to buy Tesla. This is the greatest opportunity you could ever ask it. Tesla is already bullish, but the moment to buy already passed. Rivian is not bullish right now. Rivian is still in a crystal clear bear trend. I don't see any bullish reversal sign around. As far as I know, Rivian is going up nicely from the $33 over here to the 21 exponential moving average, just to do another dead cat bounce to drop again. Because this is what Rivian is doing. And this volume is not convincing me, so I think Rivian is not the ideal right now. However, Lucid looks different. Lucid, let's take a look at Lucid right now. Or LUCID, I'm so sorry guys, I don't know how to pronounce it. If you don't know me, excuse me, I am Brazilian, I have this weird accent, so excuse me, okay? This is not important. As far as I know, Lucid is doing a pullback, but it already broke the 21 exponential moving average, okay? It is already breaking this point, and it just found a very important support level at $22, this purple line down here. We hit this point 1, 2, 3, 4 times in the past, and right now we did a very good reaction. We broke the 21 EMA for the first time since, well, the beginning of the year, January 2022. So this is the first bullish indicator we see on Lucid, okay? And right now, as far as I know, we are doing a pullback to the previous support level, which could be the 21 exponential moving average along with the 38.2% Fibonacci's retracement. We are holding at this point. On Friday, we found this point as a support level. We found this point as a support level today again. So, guys, what Lucid is missing right now, in my humble opinion? Two things. It is missing a higher volume because we must see a better volume at this right now. The volume is decreasing, which is partially good because since Lucid hit the previous support level down here, it went up, the volume was increasing, and right now we are dropping and the volume is decreasing. This is telling to me at least that investors are not selling aggressively Lucid. It feels like people are just cautious. People are just waiting for a better signal to buy Lucid again, but they are waiting for a buy opportunity. They're not buying right now, and this is why it is dropping, because investors are just not interested right now. It's the lack of interest that makes a stock drop sometimes. And to me, it feels like people are just waiting for something to happen. And it feels like Lucid is just on the waiting mode at this moment. Another thing it must do is a crystal clear bullish candlestick pattern above a crystal clear support level. Meaning, if it does a bullish candlestick pattern above the 38.2, I think Lucid has decent chances of doing this, a bullish pivot point. Okay, what is a bullish pivot point? We see a bottom, we see a top, and then a bottom higher than this, our previous bottom over here. If we react and does a higher bottom, we could do a higher high. So we're gonna trigger a bullish pivot point for, I think, the first time this year and in many months since November 2021, we could do a crystal clear bullish reversal structure. And if Lucid does that, this is gonna be phenomenal. This is gonna be a very important pattern on Lucid, and we can set targets at it easily. Now, before we talk about targets, if you want to become a swing trader, a consistent swing trader that can consistently beat the market, consider joining us. Join our trading newsletter, the Finance Hydra trading newsletter. This is the only newsletter which results are totally public. Every single one of my past trades are here. You may just click here to check my results, and you're gonna see my performance in the past 52 weeks comparing against the S&P. You're gonna see every single one of my trades, every single week since 2021. They're all here. Now, in the past 52 weeks, we are going up 54%, while the S&P is going up only 14%. We are beating the market. It is possible to consistently beat the market, and I can prove that to you using technical analysis, statistical analysis, price action, and much more. So consider joining our newsletter. You will have 7 days trial. The first one is for free, just like your subscription at this channel, right? So why not do both? So let's talk about targets on Lucid right now. By breaking this point, we have a secondary resistance around the $30 over here, around this pink line, okay? It is a secondary resistance because considering how close we are and considering how volatile Lucid is, I think this point is going to be easily broken if we do confirm a bullish pivot point. If Lucid breaks $27.25, this red line over here, the previous top March 2022, okay? Lucid must break this point in order to do a mid/long-term reversal pattern, okay? That could last for many weeks or even months. So the first target in this scenario, okay, $30, all right? I think that's gonna be easy. That's a quite humble pattern. However, I think the optimal target is the next resistance at $47. Of course, it's gonna take a few months probably in order to hit that point again, but if Lucid does a crystal clear reversal pattern in the daily chart, we're gonna have decent chances. So my friends, remember, we gotta see the volume increasing, we gotta see a crystal clear bullish pattern above a support level over here, and we must see Lucid breaking $27.25, okay, in order to hit the $47. So my friends, consider subscribing at my trading newsletter. I invite you guys to join this channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay safe. Farewell.